Hello there, guys and gals. Yes, I am so excited. Very much. So much. As you can see, I'm with Britney Cheryl. This could be the day 3 since she'd been alive again. Hold on. Do you wanna hear the engine? In just one click. Close the door. Guys, don't forget to make some seatbelt, okay? Wear your seatbelt. Side mirror. Oh, and the windows. Guys, I'm gonna make a road test for this one because it's been a long time, more than 2 years since my ever-loving Britney Cheryl, and by the way, guys and girls, make sign of the cross, she's been in a coma in closing quotation, and it's time for her to have a test drive. Hold on. And I'm gonna buy some things that includes with Cheryl. What I mean is I'm gonna buy some light bulb at the to be used in brake light. And aside from the reason that I'm gonna drive Britney Cheryl again, because she will have a great car wash for today because so dirty. So guys, I can't wait. Oh my gosh, I am so excited, and at the same time I'm some kind of nervous for this day. And just what I have told you just this late morning, that the wheel on the left side at the back has already been fixed by my great mechanic, Sir. Oh gosh, I forgot. Sir, what's this? So bye for now, kitty cat. Oh, don't go in there. Sir Bill. Okay, so let's now proceed to the car wash. Oh gosh. And then sooner or later, all the malfunctioning for this one will be fixed, and we will gonna hit the road. Bye bye. Diyan ka lang, huwag kang tatawid. Okay, here we are now, guys. Do you see that? I'm driving. Yes. Wow. Oh my gosh, this has been a long time, guys, and guys, more than 2 years since I wasn't able to drive for this one. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Thank you, Lord. You make Britney Cheryl being alive again. So bye for now, guys and gals. Thank you so much to each every one of you for watching. Godspeed. Shout out to each every one of you, to my Madam Bigos, Aborda, and Helen Carreto, and Ambembe. Bye bye.